Big thanks to Napoleon Grills for sponsoring this episode.
You might wonder what's going on here. I got a huge slab of bone marrow and a big rib roast on a rotisserie. Let me tell you why. This is a complete rib eye roast with 2 giant bones strapped to the side. If you buy as much meat as we do, then you build up a really good relationship with your butcher. So the butcher came by and he brought something with it. And that was this. And then Roel called me and he said, "What to do with this?" And I said, "Dude, you got magic in your hands, man. This is pure gold. This is gonna be awesome. Let me please do the video. Please, 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 pretty please, please, please." For the people that don't know, you know what's inside this bone? It's called bone marrow. Normally when you buy a piece of bone marrow, you let it melt basically on your grill or whatever. Put some thyme over it, salt and pepper, whatever. It's gonna be delicious. It's not that big usually when you buy it in the store. This is so freaking big. Look at it, that's all bone marrow. So what I'm thinking is, get some rub over it, put it on a rotisserie, go to heaven. Go to bone marrow heaven. I'm gonna chop fine 3 cloves of garlic. Then I'm gonna chop fine 10 grams of rosemary. Then grab a bowl, get the garlic and the rosemary in, add half a tablespoon of olive oil, add half a tablespoon of fleur de sel sea salt. And now I'm gonna season my beautiful rib roast with this stuffing. And I'm trying to not season the bone marrow because it wouldn't do anything to it. So I'm keeping the good stuff for the meat only. Press it down a little bit, rotate it, and do the other side as well. And now I'm gonna put it on a rotisserie. And this is easy, just be careful, and once you're in, watch your other hand, because eventually, if everything goes right, it should come out. Try to keep it as centered as possible. There you go. And if it goes out in the wrong direction, then don't stress, just pull it back in, try it again. Secure it, there you go. And it's ready. The smell on this roast is freaking amazing, you gotta smell this. Oh man. Yeah. So I'm gonna put this on our Napoleon rotisserie. As you can see, I already taken off the grill grates, the heavy duty grill grates that they are normally in, because we need space. And I even took out the middle flavorizer bar. And the reason that I did that is because I wanna catch everything that's coming off that roast. So I got my Scotsburg cast iron heavy duty pan right here. What I love about cast iron pans in general is that you can use them in your kitchen as well as on the barbecue, and it doesn't matter what you do with it. It all works. You couldn't do that with a normal Teflon pan. Don't even say that word, man. So I set the pan in the middle, put the handlebar inside the grill as well. And what's beautiful about this pan, if you're cooking and you put the handle outside, it doesn't get warm, because this handle doesn't conduct the heat from inside the pan. Now I'm gonna turn on my left burner, set them to a medium heat of around 140 degrees Celsius. Grab a thermometer and stick it dead center in your rib roast. The bone marrow can drip off, we can catch everything that's coming from the rib roast as well. I'm gonna close that lid and let it roast. The temperature of our rib roast varies from 48 degrees till 50 degrees Celsius. And it's looking magnificent. But now it's time for the trick. I got my pan right here, juices are in, super, super delicious stuff. I'm gonna put in around 70 grams of butter. I'm gonna remove that pan and let it continue to melt. I'm gonna stop the rotisserie and I'm gonna cut my bone marrow. And I know it's a shame, but we have to. Oh, and that's the magic stuff. Now we're gonna let it rotate again. I'm gonna look for that other bone. There it is. Oh, it's coloring red right now, but you see also a lot of intermuscular fat running right through it. It's a beautiful, beautiful piece of meat. I'm gonna add some chopped fine garlic, and I chopped around 10 grams of thyme, and I'm gonna add that as well. Now I'm gonna fire up my back burner, and now we're going for that extra mile. Turn down the other burners and mix all the ingredients in the pan. And now for the magic stuff, look at this. Oh yeah. Oh, this is so satisfying. Butter of the gods. This is the best stuff out there. Now mix it up again. I'm gonna take that butter and baste it. Now we hit that mark of 52 degrees Celsius. I'm gonna take it off, but it's probably going to continue to rise in temperature. First the pan, I'll take it off and let it rest on the board. The dog is coming in. You like a bone? Take out the rotisserie, take out the skewers, take out the meter, and here we go. Woo! Beautiful, beautiful roast. Oh yeah, baby. Look at the juices. Everything is running out. Beautiful, beautiful juices evacuation. Let's take a slice off. Just waiting to be eaten. A little bit of the bone marrow on top. A nice little slice. Bon appetit. You can't beat that.